Amabhakabhaka sink Galaxy 2-1 in a CAF Champions League showdown. Orlando Pirates put one foot in the CAF Champions League group stages with a commanding 2-1 victory over Jwaneng Galaxy at the Botswana National Stadium on Saturday. Tsegofatso Mabasa's stunning volley and Dion Hoto's clinical finish were enough to silence the home crowd, giving Pirates a crucial edge in the second preliminary round as they return to Orlando Stadium next weekend for the decisive leg. The Buccaneers controlled the game from the first whistle, though they struggled to convert their dominance into goals early on. Within the opening 10 minutes, Talente Mbata floated a cross into the box, but Monopele Saleng couldn't beat Galaxy's quick-thinking goalkeeper, who snuffed out the chance. Saleng was once again the catalyst for Pirates' attacks, waving his way through the defense in the 14th minute and setting up Patrick Masangwai, but Masanganyi's poor first touch let Galaxy off the hook, a missed opportunity that briefly gave the host hope. Pirates continued to pile on the pressure, winning a free kick in the 24th minute. Saleng's effort was cleared for a corner, but the Buccaneers couldn't capitalize. Galaxy, finding themselves on the back foot for much of the half, had their first real opportunity 4 minutes later. Rudath Wendell tested Pirates' defense, but Tabiso Sisane was on hand to neutralize the danger. As the half ticked toward stoppage time, it looked like Pirates' wastefulness might leave the tire in the balance. But just before the break, Mabasa delivered a moment of brilliance. Positioned just outside the box, he connected with a loose ball and curled a powerful volley into the top corner, sending Pirates into the break with a 1-0 lead. The second half saw Galaxy introduce Gilbert Baruti in a bid to change the tide, and the substitute almost made an immediate impact. He unleashed a speculative long-range effort just after the restart, but his shot drifted wide of Sipho Chane's goal. Pirates nearly doubled their lead in the 50th minute when Tito threaded a pass to Relobogile Mokoena, but the youngster could only find the side netting. Baruti fired another warning shot 4 minutes later, forcing Gianni into a brilliant save to keep Pirates in front. But all their momentum was undone in the 78th minute when Pirates struck a killer blow. Masonganyi, who had missed earlier, turned creator, setting up Dion Hoto for a thunderous finish that doubled Pirates' lead and deflated Galaxy's hope. Congratulations are in order to Orlando Pirates. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.